Hello viewers, Namaste and welcome to Vehicle Mania's Know the Facts. Many of us are drivers, right? But many among us do not know what the symbols of the instrument cluster or the multifunction display of a car signifies. In this video, I'm going to show few symbols that are being shown on the instrument cluster or the multifunction display of a car. So we will be mainly going through 7 symbols. The first one is the warning symbols. The next one is the safety symbols, lighting symbols, advanced feature symbols, diesel powered vehicle symbols, electric and hybrid vehicle symbols. So let's move on to one by one. The first section is the warning symbols. In the warning symbols, there are a total of 4 symbols, the sub symbols. Those are the engine temperature warning light. In the engine temperature warning light, that indicator light means the engine temperature has exceeded the normal limits. So we need to check the coolant level, the fan operation, the radiator cap or the coolant leaks. The second one is the battery charge warning light. The indicator light means that the car's charging system is short of power or is not charging properly. So it normally indicates a problem with the battery itself or its alternator. The next one is the oil pressure warning light. In the oil pressure warning light, the indicator light means loss of oil pressure, meaning lubrication is low or lost completely. So immediately we need to check the oil level of those oil pressure. The next one is a brake warning light. That is, it turns on when the handbrake is on. Whenever we pull up the handbrake, the brake warning light blinks up. So it means that the hydraulic pressure has been lost in one side of the brake system, or that the fluid level in the master cylinder is dangerously low due to a leak somewhere in the brake system. Now the warning symbols section is over. Now let's move on to the next section, that is the safety symbols. So your vehicle's dashboard light plays an important role. So these light indicates an issue with your car that needs either an immediate action or checking. The first one is transmission temperature. In the transmission temperature, the indicator light means the engine temperature has exceeded the normal limits. So again here we need to check the coolant level, the operation of the fan, the coolant leaks, radiator caps, etc. The next one, the tire pressure warning system. This indicator light means when the pressure of the tire, the content of air, is very low in the tire. The traction control off, that is the TC off. That indicator light means that vehicle TCS, the traction control system, has been deactivated. The next one, the steering wheel lock. The indicator light means when a steering wheel is locked and cannot be moved. To turn off the steering lock, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to at least the first position while turning the steering wheel in either direction. The next one is trailer tow hitch warning. It's not been seen in many vehicles, especially it is only seen in the SUV segments. Those are for towing the vehicles. Those are the indicator light means that the tow hitch is unlocked or that there is an issue with the lighting system. The next one, the traction control light. The indicator light turns on when the TCS or the traction control system has been activated. The next one is service vehicle soon. Whenever the vehicle has been scheduled for a service, the indicator light starts to blink. It turns on when there is a fault condition in an area of the vehicle chassis system, such as the anti-lock ABS brake system, the traction control TCS system, the electronic suspension system, or the brake hydraulic system. The next one is a security alert. The indicator light will turn on momentarily if the ignition switch is locked and will need the proper transponder equipped key to restart. If the light is visible when the vehicle is on, then it typically indicates a malfunction in the security system. The side airbag, the next one. The side airbag indicator light means a fault with the side airbag. It's as obviously as how the name suggests. Next one, the reduced power warning. The indicator light means that the engine computer has limited engine power output. That is, the vehicle cannot output what it should be. The next one, the seat belt indicator. That is very often, right? Whenever we start moving the vehicle or when we forget to pull our seat belt, the light starts to blink, and in some cars there are beep alerts to indicate us that you have not wear any the seat belt. So the indicator light means that a seat belt has not been secured for a passenger in the vehicle. The next one is for manual vehicles, the press clutch pedal. This indicator gives us information when and where to push the clutch. Next one, the powertrain fault. The indicator light turns on when a powertrain or all-wheel drive fault has been detected. Contact your mechanic as soon as possible. That is, we should never extend any problem with our vehicle, because it can cause major problems with our vehicle. So we need to try to immediately contact any mechanic as soon as possible. The next one is the power steering warning light. The indicator light turns on when there is an issue with the power steering system or when there is minimum amount of power steering fluid. The next one is press brake pedal. That is indicator to push the brake pedal. That will be more, it's kind of advanced feature. Now the parking brake light. This indicator light means the park brake is on. The overdrive light. The indicator light means that the vehicle's overdrive system has been manually turned off. The oil change reminder. This is again a type of advanced one where the vehicle suggests it's time to change your engine oil. The master warning light. This indicator light usually accompanied by another warning light and indicates that one or more systems have been detected. This master warning light is known as the king of warning lights because it suggests that other warning systems have been deactivated. The next one is the information warning light. In the indicator light, this will turn on when a new message is stored in the information display. It will be red or amber in color depending on the severity of the message and will remain on until the cause of the message has been rectified. Next one is the icy road warning light. It indicates whenever there is ice or snow, or when it is around 35 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. Next is the gas or fuel cap. In this indicator light turns on off if the gas or fuel cap is not properly tightened. Next one is the ESP fault or traction control or malfunction in the vehicle's traction control. Hope you like the video. If you like, please do give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new videos notifications. See you in the next part of this video. Thank you.